हम लोग जा कहाँ पे रहे हैं बेसिकली?
लेक
कौन सी?
वेन्ना।
ओके,
आई डोंट नो, वेन्ना ऐसा कुछ तो नाम है।
हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं, किसी को कुछ पता है?
बीच से कुछ लेक है ना।
ओके, वी आर ऑल सेट टू गो सम लेक। और उधर करेंगे क्या?
बोटिंग।
ओके,
बोटिंग साइट सीइंग।
हाँ।
साइट सीइंग।
साइट सीइंग। ओके, कैसी होगी?
I think it is gonna be very cool.
वेरी कूल।
Yeah. And so already it's time for sunset.
सनसेट ऑल्सो?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know where he want to go,
Bike
but
park.
finally he has parked his bike. I don't know where he is going. Okay, we have reached our destination, but earlier our plan was for boating. But after having a look on the situation for tickets of boating, okay, just have a look for the ticket line. Just have a look. It seems like they are standing for an ATM queue, but no, they are not. So we have cancelled the plan for boating because they have a very long queue here. So now I guess we have to change our destination. Search some other place to go and show you that place. I'm really sorry, but unfortunately we cannot stand in these lines because these are really big, really big, and we don't have that much of time here, so I won't be able to do it. Chalo. Let's see where else we can go here. Okay, now after cancelling boating, we must be thinking that what we people have chosen to do here. So my friends have chosen this. We are playing a game, glass उड़ा देने वाला. See? Come on, Ankit. अरे कुछ भी करना. चल चलो. Nice shot.
बहुत ही बुरा निकला है। वीडियो चालू है बोल रहे। एक बास्केट भी डाल ही लेता हूँ।
So as we were having very less time, so we have just passed our time in these all shops, and we were not able to go anywhere. We are really disappointed, but all the places are closed now. So I thought to just show you how is Mahabaleshwar nightlife is. These are all the shops. This is really good for all the couples who come here basically. And so this is all. And we are about to go to our hotels back, and I guess this is my bike which is coming soon. 10:30 in night, and as we were not having any place to go, so we are just roaming around in main bazaar Mahabaleshwar. So if you're coming with your girlfriend or with your wife, you're fumbling, very chilling, no? So if you're coming with your wife or your girlfriend, you can explore this place a lot. I'll show you how this place is. Shops are here, a lot of shops. Basically, I guess in Mahabaleshwar, strawberries are very popular. So if you're coming Mahabaleshwar, definitely take a lot of strawberries. You can get it in a very cheap price. Cheap in the sense, not too less, but yes, you can. In comparison to other cities, you will get it in very lower rates. These are the shops, and a lot of crowd is here. I don't know how come, but okay, we found chai shop, so we'll be having tea as it's very chilling here. Nitin wants to explore a lot and tell all the shops to give them priority and publicity on my channel. Have a look on Chikki shop, very close. Chikki and Fudge manufacturing center directly. You get 20% discount also. Chalo, wait, Chintu. Where are both the Chintus? Where are both the Chintus? They again lost? Yes. As usual. Bargain a lot whenever you come to these places, huh?
इसको भी नहीं छोड़ा तूने क्या? So here is stall of Pani Puri and counter, and here order.
Lots of restaurants which have very pathetic food. Somebody suggested us not to eat food. कहाँ पे बोला था नीचे नहीं खाने को? पंचम रेस्टोरेंट. हाँ. Lots of horses there. Lots of horses there. Oh, can you see it?
नहीं.
Okay.
द्वारका.
हाँ, द्वारका होटल. We are exploring the market now, and we are not getting anything good here. Only getting all the stupid things. No, they have some good things also. Very nice shop, but I won't be able to buy anything because I'm with my Thunderbird. So I won't be able to carry anything. That's what the main problem is. Moral of the story is, if you are bachelor, so there is nothing for you here. All the home stuff, kids stuff, and foods are really bad here. Trust me, the foods are really bad. Nothing attractive or tasty here. Nothing. Only Chikki shop here. Only Chikki shops. So this was the end. Bye bye. Good morning. We are in Mahabaleshwar at our hotel, and these are our hotel rooms. No, this is our hotel room. See, they are cheating. That is not our room. This is our room. हट जा. ये हम गरीब लोगों का रूम है. ये Bansal is getting ready. Kenny is getting ready. चलो. And here Nitin is getting ready. They were asking me to lie कि अपने होटल का रूम अच्छा वाला दिखाओ, but I will not do it. ये रिच पीपल का कमरा, ये गरीब लोगों का कमरा. Poor people, rich people. So as of now we don't have any plans where we are going, or we are like going to some destination in the sense points which are popular here. But because we are already late, we have to reach home before night. We don't want to do night drive before it gets dark. Sorry for the wrong grammar. And what you want to have a look on the view? I got a suggestion from you. Why don't you even say it?
So if you don't do bookings before coming here and don't come prepared, you get this type of room. They'll show you this room, but you will get this room. So better be prepared.
Better go for Go Ibibo or any other hotel apps or something, because we thought that we will be exploring hotels and everything, so we got this jail. And if you will book the hotel, you'll get these rooms. And oh my god, I forgot to tell. Temperature is nearby, I guess. Temperature is nearby, I guess. Nearby 20 degree होगा ना?
70.
है ना? 17 or 20 degree. Between this. Continue. The photo session going on. We are leaving to Mumbai. So as of now, the plan is we are off to Mumbai, and in case we'll get some points in our way, so we'll be taking a stop there. Okay, there's just one place to have breakfast in Mahabaleshwar, and you should just have this place. There's no other place you can have good breakfast. This is the best place in Mahabaleshwar, we found out, and now we are leaving for Mumbai. मावती एको पॉइंट कुठे आहे रे गो स्ट्रेट अबे रॉयल एनफील्ड तो क्या कुछ भी चढ़ा हो एको पॉइंट हेलो एको पॉइंट ओके वी हैव रीच्ड टू एको पॉइंट दिस इज एको पॉइंट पंसल नहीं आ रही है वो तू इधर के बोल आज ऐसा कि खुद दौड़ के बोलना है क्या मंकी हाय मंकी चलो ओके दिस इज व्हाट इको पॉइंट इज and this place is really awesome, must come. It works but with a very particular point. You have to shout it from that corner and it will reflect back, and that is amazing feeling, because this is the first time I have tried it, so this is amazing. I'm sorry I've mounted my camera on my helmet, so I won't be able to do a lot, but I'll show you the view. The plus point is you just have to come one place and you will cover all the 4 points all together. This is Kate's Point. Okay, read it. Check it. Just have a look on the view. Whoa. Now again we are at now Kate's Point.
सबसे ज़्यादा top point लगता है.
Okay, this is the highest peak, I guess, of the. Okay, it's all same look anyhow, but I'll show you how it is.